is nothing more peaceful than looking out. Every morning I get up, I get my cup of coffee, I come sit down, and this is how I wake up. We wanted to be able to enjoy all 4 seasons. Our space was a screened-in porch, which we loved and we did utilize, but it wasn't always comfortable and it was difficult to keep clean, especially in spring when the pollen came. Having the patio enclosure windows all the way around the room makes it not only beautiful for us, but we can enjoy all 4 seasons now. We literally spend all of our time out here in this room, and our guests, when they come, this is where they want to be. I no longer have to worry about it being dirty. I can just clean it like I would my normal house, and it is a favorite. The first thing they did for us was give us the windows with screens so we could still have that air movement. I love the screened-in portion of that, so having the ability to open up these windows and still have the air flowing through, to still be able to hear nature. I love the sound of the birds and all the trees, and having the windows open to hear the birds. But during the winter months when it's just a little too cold, we can close up and still enjoy the beauty outside the windows. The biggest improvement for us is that we gained a dining area out here in this room that we can use all year long. It gives that option to have all of our meals out here, which we love. And then we have our sitting area, which our guests love to come out here in the morning, have a cup of coffee. In the evening, we'll have wine out here and just enjoy looking out over the lake. So it really is the hub of the house. Patio Enclosures was a dream to work with, honestly. We met and talked through all of the different areas that we were interested in having changed, what that would look like, what our different options were. They were very thorough. We received a lot of information about how to protect the room from sun damage since it was going to have a lot of windows. They looked at everything from structure and how that was going to have to change a little bit. The weight loads were going to have to be beefed up a little bit. The windows were heavier. And just things that we weren't thinking of, that we didn't consider. They really did a good job of explaining to us what needed to be done and getting the permits and helping us work through that whole process. We couldn't have asked for it to happen any quicker and more seamless. Our friends and family were thrilled when we did this enclosure. We wanted to be able to live out here 24/7 every month of the year and not worry about it. And Patio Enclosures helped us make that dream come true.